DNA extraction, first step, tissue lysis. So the first thing to do is to take our samples with the tissue, and then we need to cut it in very thin and small pieces in order to digest better. And it's really important to clean every time we cut different samples our scissors to try to not contaminate each sample, because each sample has its own DNA, so we need to clean and clean really consciously. So after putting the tissue in our Eppendorf, now we need to add the buffer, which will help with the digestion. In this case, we put 4 microliters of it, but it will depend on the quantity of the tissue. So this buffer needs to cover all the tissue. If you have a lot of tissue, you will put more buffer, and if you have less tissue, you don't need to put a lot. And now the last step is to add the protease K, which is an enzyme, and it's the enzyme that will digest our tissue, and we will obtain a liquid, which is the one that we'll have to process in order to obtain our DNA. But in this case, after adding the protease K, we put it on the oven at 56 degrees, and we let it there for 1, 2, or 3 hours.